After being cut from his high school basketball team, he went home, locked himself in his room, and cried. He wasn't able to speak until he was almost 4 years old, and his teachers said he would never amount to much. Was demoted from her job as a news anchor because she wasn't fit for television. Fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination and having no original ideas. At age 11, he was cut from his team after being diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, which made him smaller in stature than most kids his age. At 30 years old, he was left devastated and depressed after being unceremoniously removed from the company he started. A high school dropout whose personal struggles with drugs and poverty culminated in an unsuccessful suicide attempt. A teacher told him he was too stupid to learn anything, and that he should go into a field where he might succeed by virtue of his pleasant personality. Rejected by Decca Recording Studios, who said, "We don't like their sound. They have no future in show business." His first book was rejected by 27 publishers. His fiancée died, failed in business, had a nervous breakdown, and was defeated in 8 elections. If you've never failed, you've never tried anything new.
Welcome to Sharks University. You can watch this video, or you don't have to. My life is not going to change. I'm trying to help you because there's 100 million videos on YouTube talking about success, and I'm going to tell you the 2 things that you can change today in 10 seconds. Literally in 10 seconds. They're simple. If you change them, you'll become ultra successful in your life. It's a fact. I have done it, and every single successful person on planet Earth has done this.
So I think there are a lot of paths to satisfaction, and you need to find one that works for you.
The number one thing that you can change today is this, okay? And this is going to be funny.
Really funny. Really funny. What do you mean funny?
It's so funny that 99% of people on Earth do this. They quit when it gets hard. Anything gets hard, they quit. And what do they do after they quit? They go to the next video. They go to the next video on YouTube. They go to TikTok. They search motivation. They search the next AI video with a super wealthy tiger with a big chain, right? They search a new title. They search a new something. Give me something that's not hard. Everything in life is easy. What does easy mean? Easy means that you can do it. It's possible. If another human being that drinks water, breathes air like you, has done it, you can do it. When it gets hard, people quit. You make a website, you make some videos, you do some promotions, you don't get sales, people quit. Instant gratification. When you are a farmer, and I hope you know what a farmer is. When you are a farmer and you plant a seed, you are not going to get the fruit today. It's not going to grow an apple today. Stick with it. If it's a proven business, you watched a lot of smart things, stick with it. Okay? That's the first thing. The simplest, easiest thing on earth that's so funny. Everybody has heard this 100 billion times. Don't quit. Don't quit when it gets hard. 100 billion times. People maybe need to hear this 10,000 trillion times, if that's even a number, and still, with that number, only 1% are going to do something, okay? This is the first thing that you can change immediately. Something gets hard, stick with it. That's how you do it. That's the secret. That's the $130,000 that you're gonna pay to sit next to a guru at a stupid conference. They're not gonna tell you anything you can learn for free. Number two, putting another number one here because it's the first thing that you need to do, is to make a decision first. Okay? So first, not after you have all of the answers. I trust that you have listened to other smart people, and I don't know what you consider smart, but it might be a little different from me. To me, somebody that's smart is somebody that has actually created over time real businesses and had challenges and persevered and has intelligence and put in the hard work and has desire and so on and so on. Ultra successful people that are smart, I'm one of them. I make a decision first. And I'm stupid at many things in life, I promise you. I promise you. But they make a decision first. Then they figure out how to do it. Most people on earth, just watch a video, they get their motivation, but they don't know exactly how to do it. Then that enthusiasm drops. Then they go watch a new video and it's a big roller coaster of emotions, of motivation, not motivation, no motivation, motivation, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? People that are successful don't wait to have all the answers. We're gonna start a clothing company. I don't need to know exactly how to make this stupid t-shirt. I'll figure it out. But we made a decision that we are going to start a brand. Now let's figure out how to do it. Let's go on Google and figure out where can we get cheap price for good quality to start a brand. What are other companies doing? Let's go on TikTok. Let's Google the best fashion startups in 2025, in 2024, in 2023, whatever. But we made a decision. Almost everybody sits there. Everybody sits there and continuously watches these stupid videos in a big circle. It's one big circle. It's a hamster wheel. It's a hamster wheel. New video, new video, new video. I need all the information. Oh, I don't have money. You don't need anything except a decision. Then you figure it out. Then you go on Google. Then you search for stuff. Make a decision of what you want to be. I want to be a successful businessman. I want to have a bunch of muscles. Great, I made that decision. Now what? Let's learn how to do it. Okay, what can't I eat? Don't eat pizza. What do I need to do to start a business? Create an LLC, start a website, find a product, pick a business. Then what? Then start marketing that product. Make the product good and then start marketing it. It's a decision. These two things will change your life. You can watch 100 million YouTube videos with your popcorn, with your Cheetos, whatever you want. Motivation, scrolling, whatever the hell you want. You're gonna scroll your way to death. And you're gonna have a shit life. You're going to have a bad life. If you quit when it's hard, and if you don't make a decision first, then figure it out, instead of doing the opposite, wait to have every answer in life, every business. Most business people that are ultra successful have said, if I knew what I was getting into, I would have never started. Which is amazing. Ignorance is bliss. It's actually a superpower not to know stuff. Because as you keep learning, you keep progressing, you're gonna get better and you're gonna break through. It's impossible. It's impossible for a human being on this planet that has a desire, a true desire to do something and to have something and didn't do it and doesn't have it. Desire beats everything. All right? Subscribe, like, do whatever you want. See you guys in the next video. Check out Sharks University. Link is in the description. You can check out how I started my peanut butter company, one of the largest brands in Eastern Europe today. See you guys in the next video.